How about the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28? Fathom Green, great color over black.
Yep.
True Z28. 1967 302 cubic inch V8. Muncie M20 4-speed manual. 12-bolt 410 gear posi axle. And a DZ 4-barrel carburetor. This is a great drive.
Still here?
Yeah,
I can't imagine that thing's still here.
Probably, I think
Did you say M22?
Yeah, I think it's got M20.
Oh, M20. Okay.
Yeah. So it's surprising that it's still here. That Fathom Green, I don't.
Beautiful.
That's just a really great color.